No use kidding myself. Once they release The Dueling Cavalier, Lockwood and Lamont will be
Well, things went wrong with the sound. If you just get the technical end straight.
No, it wasn't that. Something happened to me tonight. Well, everything you said about me is true, Kathy. I'm no actor. I never was. Just a lot of dumb show, a shadow. I know that now.
Well, at least you're taking it lying down.
No kidding, Cos. Did you ever see anything as idiotic as me on that screen tonight?
Yeah, Lena.
Don, you're not through.
Well, of course you're not through. With your looks and figure, you could ride an ice wagon or shine shoes.
Block hats.
Sell pencils.
Dig ditches.
Or worse still, go back into vaudeville.
Too bad I didn't do that in The Dueling Cavalier. They might have liked it.
Well, why don't you?
What?
Make a musical.
Sure, a musical picture. Wait a minute, why don't you turn The Dueling Cavalier into a musical?
That's impossible.
Why not? You've got 6 weeks until it's released.
Well, sure. Add some songs and dances, trim the bad scenes, add a couple new ones.
And you got...
Okay. Oh, but do you think I could do it?
Of course you can do it.
It's a cinch.
All right. All right, the picture can be saved.
Oh, hot dog!
Hallelujah!
Listen, if we can pull this off, this day will go down in history for me. March 23rd.
Oh, no, your historic day is not the 23rd, it's the 24th.
What do you mean, the 24th?
It's 1:30 already, it's morning.
Yes, and what a lovely morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
We've talked the whole night through.
Good morning.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Good morning.
It's great to stay up late.
Good morning. Good morning to you.
When the band began to play, the stars were shining bright.
Now the milkman's on his way. It's too late to say goodnight. So good morning. Good morning.
Sunbeams will soon shine through.
Good morning. Good morning to you.
And you and you and you. Good morning. Good morning. We got the whole night through. Good morning. Good morning to you.
Nothing could be grander than to be in Louisiana.
Good morning. In the morning, it's great to stay up late. Good morning. Good morning to you.
Might be just as zippy if it wasn't Mississippi.
When we left the movie show, the future wasn't bright. But came the dawn, the show goes on, and I want to say goodnight.
So say good morning.
Good morning.
The rainbows are shining through.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Bonjour.
Ah, monsieur.
Buenos dias.
Muchas gracias.
Buongiorno.
Buongiorno.
Guten Morgen.
Great to short of it. Good morning.
To you.